Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So today we are going to study about most frequently asked MCQs on the topic regulators and DC power supply. So let's begin. First question: which of the following is not an essential element of a DC power supply? A. Rectifier, B. Filter, C. Voltage regulator, or D. Voltage amplifier. So as you know, for converting AC into DC power supply, we require rectifiers, filters and voltage regulator. And not an essential element will be voltage amplifier. Next question: in an unregulated power supply, if load current increases, the output voltage dash A remains the same, B decreases, C increases, or D increases rapidly. So here the question says, if the load is nothing but the output connected. If the output current increases, the output voltage dash. So obviously, as you know, the current and voltage is inversely proportional to each other. So if the output current increases, or the load current means the output is connected and it is draining the output, so the output voltage will decrease. Next question: in an unregulated power supply, if input AC voltage increases, the output voltage A remains the same, B decreases, C increases, or D decreases rapidly. So in an unregulated power supply, input voltage is increased, the output voltage also increases. Next question: an ideal regulated power supply is one which has voltage regulation of A 0%, B 5%, C 10%, or D 1%. So in an ideal regulated power supply, voltage regulation should be almost zero. So ideal value is the perfect value of the power supply. Practically this is not possible. So we say an ideal regulated power supply, the voltage regulation should be zero. Next question: a Zener diode utilizes dash characteristic for voltage regulation. A forward, B reverse, C both forward and reverse, or D neither forward nor reverse. So the answer is reverse. As you know, Zener diode works in reverse condition only. Next question: Zener diode can be used as A. AC voltage regulator only, B. DC voltage regulator only, C. both AC and DC, or neither of them. And the answer is Zener diode can be used at both AC and DC voltage regulator. Next question: a Zener diode is used as a dash voltage regulating device. A. Shunt, that is parallel, B. Series, C. Shunt series, D. Series shunt. So the Zener diode is used as a parallel or a shunt voltage regulating device. Next question: another name for Zener diode is dash diode. A. breakdown, B. voltage, C. power, or D. current. And the another name for Zener diode is breakdown diode. Next question: for increasing the voltage rating, Zeners are connected in A. parallel, B. series parallel, C. parallel series, or D. series. And the answer is series. Next question. A Zener voltage regulator is used for dash load currents. A. High, B. Very high, C. Moderate, or D. Small. So here they have asked that the Zener voltage regulator is used for which type of load currents. So load is nothing but the output. So for high output, small, moderate, or very high. So Zener diode or the Zener voltage regulator is used for small load current. So for small outputs. For high outputs, we use IC regulators. Next question. A Zener regulator dash in the power supply. A. Increases the ripple. B. Decreases the ripple. C. Neither increases nor decreases the ripple, or keeps the ripples same. And the answer is decreases the ripple. As you know, the input is AC and the output should be DC. So ripples are nothing but the AC component. So Zener regulator is used to decrease the ripples and gets converted into DC. Next question. A regulated power supply is also known as dash. A. Linear power supply, dual power supply, hyper power supply, or exponential power supply. So the regulated power supply is also known as linear power supply. So it is a straight line. Which of the applications filters used for? A. Reducing ripples, B. Increasing ripples, C. Increasing phase change, or D. Increasing amplitude. So as you know, again filters are used to reduce the AC component, and as you know, AC components are nothing but ripples. So filters are used to reduce ripples or reduce AC component. Next question. Why Zener diodes are provided in DC supply? A. For forward conduction, B. For reverse conduction, C. For reference voltage, or D. For increasing amplitude. So Zener diodes are provided in DC supply for reference voltage. So as you know, if you are using a 5.1 volts of Zener diode, so the output will be restricted to 5 volts. If you are using 9 volts of Zener diode, then the output is restricted to 9 volts. So Zener diode is used as a reference voltage. Next question. Stability of output voltage is entirely dependent on dash. A. Stability of transformer, B. Stability of Zener diode, C. Quality of wires, or D. Capacitor value. So the stability of output voltage is entirely dependent upon the stability of Zener diode. As Zener diode is connected at the end of the block or the end of the power supply, so its stability is very important. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section.